Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you the small mistakes that can really ruin an outfit. And I actually had so much fun filming this video, so I really hope that it will be helpful. I think a lot of the time it's easy to spot the big mistakes in an outfit, but a lot of the time I feel like we can look in the mirror and feel like there's something off, but you can't quite put your finger on it. So hopefully this video will help, and I plan on doing a lot more of these in future because I think styling and a good outfit really comes down to those subtle details. So the first subtle mistake is choosing the wrong style of statement earring. Now, I wear statement earrings quite often, specifically because I tend to wear a lot of minimal basic pieces, and it's just an easy way to elevate my outfits. But choosing the wrong style of statement earring can really ruin an outfit. So on the left hand side, I'm wearing a very casual outfit, t-shirt, some loose fitting jeans and sandals, and then really big ornate earrings. And these definitely don't suit a casual outfit. They completely throw off the outfit and they just look out of place. While I love them, I think they suit more of a dressy outfit. I envision this with a very floaty summer dress on holiday, but definitely not with t-shirt and jeans. Instead, I would go for something that is still a statement style of earring, but that suits a more casual outfit a lot better. So I went with these square shaped vintage earrings, and I think they just go a lot better with the more casual outfit. They are still visible, they still make a statement, but they are a much better choice for this casual look. Subtle mistake number 2 is not paying attention to the shapes and the silhouettes of the pieces that you are wearing. Now, I've got a lot to say on this topic, so hopefully I'm not going to ramble on. But to me, there really is a big difference in an outfit being figure flattering and flattering to look at, so visually appealing. So you'll be able to hopefully see what I mean on the screen in the clips. So the outfit on the left hand side, it's very fitted tank top, fitted jeans, and to me this just looks like a very generic outfit, and as if not a lot of attention was paid to the styling. So the styling wasn't very intentional. Nothing wrong with this outfit, but I definitely feel like it can be improved style wise. So just by swapping out the fitted jeans for a looser, wider leg trouser, immediately there's a lot more balance to the outfit. The tighter fitting top is balanced out with the looser fitting trouser, and to me this is just a lot more pleasing to look at, and in my opinion a lot more flattering. And although this outfit looks very effortless, it was very intentional in the styling to balance the proportions. And I'm actually going to do an entire video on how to achieve understated and effortless style, because I think that is something really difficult to achieve, and it's all about the subtleties of styling. So that's in one of my upcoming videos, but for now, I just encourage to just take a look at what you are wearing. Whenever you're wearing something very fitted, try balancing that out with something that is slightly looser. If I were to wear the fitted jeans, which I don't love wearing fitted jeans anymore, but if I was wearing them, I would probably go for a really oversized, longer blazer over the top, or even a looser shirt, just to balance out the proportions and make it a bit more visually appealing. Subtle mistake number 3 is wearing too much hardware. Now, same as with the statement earrings, I love using accessories to elevate my simple and basic outfits, but in my opinion, less is more. So on the left hand side, you'll be able to see that I basically wore all the jewelry and all the hardware that I could find. So there's gold on the sunglasses, I'm wearing quite big earrings, then the chunky chain around my neck, I'm wearing a belt that has a buckle that is quite bulky, and then the bag I'm wearing also has some hardware, and don't forget my rings and a very chunky bracelet. And it just looks like too much and very over the top, even though I'm just wearing a tank top and some jeans. And the way that I would improve it and kind of my thought process, I would keep the sunglasses and the earrings, but because both of those have hardware, I would remove the necklace. And then because I'm wearing a belt with hardware and my bag has some hardware which is kind of visible and on show around the middle part of my body, I would remove the very chunky bracelet and just stick to a very minimal bracelet. And immediately removing those pieces just looks a lot more chic, and in my opinion a lot more understated and effortless. Those pieces that I kept on still elevate the outfit and they still have that wow factor, but it just doesn't look over the top. Subtle mistake number 4 is not paying attention to the fabrics that you style together. And I feel like this is quite an easy mistake that we can make in summer. In my opinion, most fabrics that we wear in the winter just go together really well, whereas in summer it can be a bit more challenging. And because we are wearing linen quite a lot during summer, that's what I wanted to use as an example. So I'm wearing some loose-fitting linen trousers, and on the left-hand side I styled it with a silk blouse. Now, in theory, this should work because both fabrics are lightweight and flowy, but just the sheen and the almost shiny finish of the silk just looks out of place paired with the linen. It feels just too dressy for the more casual linen, and I think a much better option is to go for a fabric that doesn't have that sheen, that does have a matte finish, and that will be a much better pairing with the linen. So I went with a very thin knit t-shirt, and you might think knit wear in general doesn't really go with linen, but if it's a fine or a thin knit, then it goes really well. And I think this is just a much better pairing than the silk. So in my opinion, any shiny fabric like silk or satin doesn't pair really well with linen. I would also avoid leather and any heavy cotton like denim. So in my opinion, a denim shirt would be too heavy for the denim trousers, but you can wear a denim jacket with a very floaty maxi linen dress. So there are even subtleties within that category, but for the most part, if you stick to a matte finish like this fine knit or a cotton shirt or t-shirt and even matching linen, then that would be a really perfect fit. Subtle mistake number 5 is not choosing the right style of bag for your outfit. And this is actually easier said than done. Sometimes I build an outfit in my head with accessories and the bag, and I look at myself in the mirror and then I see, oh, this is the wrong bag for the outfit. But I think just assessing your final look, see if something looks out of place, and maybe it's just that you chose the wrong bag. So for this example, I'm wearing some flat minimal sandals and a beautiful linen dress, and I love wearing clutch bags for daytime. I think it's unexpected and a really nice way to elevate an outfit, but there are clutch bags and then there are clutch bags. On the left hand side, I went with a clutch bag that in color theory it goes with the outfit, but it is a very small clutch bag. It's also a hard case, so that feels very dressy and evening out, date night type of vibes. So instead I would go for a clutch bag that is oversized, that has some slouch to it, because that automatically feels a bit more casual and daytime appropriate. So the same kind of concept, clutch bag in both of the outfits, but just going for the right style to suit the outfit just makes a world of a difference. And those were the subtle mistakes I wanted to share with you. And it's really not about the one is wrong versus the other one is right. It's more to do with the fact that if you look in the mirror and something doesn't look right, something feels off, then have a look at all of the points that I mentioned, because most likely it can be one of these, and just by changing something or removing something, you can improve your outfit and it will feel a lot more balanced, and everything will just look like it goes together. So I hope this video was helpful. As I said, I think I'll be doing a lot more of these in future, and if you liked this video, please like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. Also, don't forget to go and give me a follow over on Instagram so you don't miss more style content, and go and follow me on LTK so you don't miss any of my outfit links. And I will chat to you again in the next video. Bye everyone.